Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you install Fabric version for Minecraft, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can do it. First of all, you're going to open any browser that you have, and then you're going to search for Fabric Minecraft install. Once you've searched for that, you're going to find the second link, which is installation for Minecraft Launcher. Once you click on that, you're going to click on download for Windows. Once you click on download Windows, you're going to go for your specified location. In my case, I'll go for downloads, and you're going to click on save. Then it's going to download for you the installer. Once you have actually downloaded the installer, as you can see, it's over here, something called Fabric Installer, and it has this logo. You're going to click on it, okay? And once you click on it, you're going to find this. You're going to switch to whatever version you want to. I'll go with 1.18.1, and then you're going to click on install. Okay, once you click on install, it's going to start installing Fabric, and it's pretty easy. And yeah, a recommendation is that you actually download Fabric API and put it in your mods folder. If you don't know how you do that, you can actually search for how you can install mods. We have a video on that. And then you're going to click on OK. Once you click on OK, you're going to launch Minecraft Launcher, okay? Now, once you've actually launched the Minecraft, okay, once you've launched the Minecraft, now if you can go to installation, as you can see, I have two versions installed of Fabric Loader, and as you can see, there's our version that we just installed. Now we're going on play, and then you're going to pick the 1.18.1, and then you're going to click on play. This is how you can install Fabric Loader. Thank you so much, guys, so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.